If you ever need a replacement frame for your Isabella or Ventura awnings, we can help you out at Yorkshire Caravans. Because what we sell replacement frames. We do the standard steel at 25mm. We do the upgraded and the super strong mega steel framework. And this is twin wing nutted, so perfect if you're going to leave it up all year round. And then for tourers, we've got replacement carbon fibre frames as well. Now the carbon fibre frames, like the standard steel frame, it's got the levers on so it can extend. You can lock your lever down to get your tension straight away. The frames, they're available in 2.5 metre depth or 3 metre depth. They're all on our website or can be purchased in store. Don't forget, if you like our videos of awnings and accessories, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.